Ryan here, RDM. We're here to open up a second GX50. This one from Lusqui. And hopefully this one is actually a GX50, not a souped up. I decided to call this one GX35R. Let me zoom out. That guy over there. Check my video I watched yesterday to watch that video. Like and subscribe, all that stuff. Sign up for my Facebook group, and let's get to it. Looks well packed. Oh, great. That's why I was hoping to see some branding. So they stand by this. Oh, something sharp. It's a piece of gasket or something there. I don't see saying 50cc anywhere. That's a little concerning. Drain the wheel. Try. Found this in there, it's a little concerning. Nope. No debris in this one. So nothing really looks a little different. This could be a real GX50. Ooh, I'm gonna strip that. All right, that's nice and solid. That was very tight. This one also does not have the hole drilled all the way through, but it's deeper. Let's keep moving on. I can't tell if it's steel aluminum. Oh wait, I think it's steel. This is a flower. This one was 13. Can you go back on? What's the magnet? A lot of thread locker too. Strange. Interesting. Okay. So far it appears to be a different manufacturer at the very least. Let's keep moving on. I'm very curious. I think this one might be a real GX50. Very excited. There we go. So tight, man. Yeah, this is unique. I think this might be a GX50. Little extrusion on the O-ring, but oh look, it's a cut there. This might not run. Probably run. Hose off. All right. In pretty good shape. Yeah, a lot of dust is made. But anyways, moment truth, let's open it up. Little tight for that one. Much stronger RTB on this guy. Let me get him out. There we go. That's the sound we're looking for. And it's correct. So for this pin here, there's no particle. There we go. There we go. A little bit of RTB in there, a little gunk. The other ones are perfectly clean either. Alright, let's keep going so we can take some measurements. I can't tell so far. I cannot tell by eye, but let's keep going. Let's get that. Okay, cool. Another little. Interesting. It's tight on this one, that pin. So we can a little bit of oil too. There it goes. A little bit more than I can do by hand. Got it. Straight up there a little bit. Alright, down this guy. I can pull the belt off. And then the cam comes out. Cool. Okay, now the belt comes out. This is what we've been waiting for. I'm gonna pop the exhaust out because it's a different pressure still. There's the exhaust valve. A completely different distance. Let's take some measurements. Oh, very weird too. Oh, 43. I'm very happy. We did it. Okay, so let's do this test. I gotta wipe this one more time. Man, that's oily. Super cool. Let me see if I can do it in a way where you guys can see. And this is rough. I mean, I'm not going to trust these measurements, but zeroed it. Now this assumes that this is a round circle. So if it's not, that would be an error. But let's assume it is. I'm getting like 30. This is not a good way of doing this. It could be 32, 33 stroke. Let me try doing this a better way. Because the piston has this dish here and the pad of the measuring tool keeps slipping into it. That type of error could compound on top of my already poor technique. Making the results useless. Okay. Cool piston. That's what I wanted to see, a real 43 piston. So oily, okay. Yeah, okay, this is a real GX50. I'm going to set that as the origin. And then whatever this is should be the stroke. So 32 and a half, it's probably a 33 stroke. So this is like a 47cc engine, or just about 50cc. That's what I ordered. Okay, let's look at another steel sleeve engine. Nice quality. Shiny die cast. The other ones look like they were like sandblasted. This one's more the die finish, which I kind of like. It's a pretty hefty intake. It's the biggest yet. Cool. And that's the exhaust. I like it. Lots of oil on this. So, I mean, it had lube. Just, no, it wasn't full of oil. The belt. No numbers on it. They are available, though. Super cool. Okay, somewhere about like 53-ish millimeter center to center. Very rough. But that's good because, again, we put a full size according to our two-stroke bicycle world rod on here. And then all of a sudden the crankshaft is spaced way far away from the cylinder, allowing there to be a nice billet case under here, and everything will work. Okay, cool. We're back on track, guys. Let me show that brand one more time. I'm a oiler. I don't want to. Lewski, you saw it in the beginning. That's it. And like and subscribe, all that stuff. I'm going to keep posting videos. I was going to make a crankshaft video, but let me talk about the crankshafts now. I have a bunch of these already sold on pre-sale. The pre-sale is going to go on another about week or so. I don't think I'm planning on making any additional cranks. So the only cranks available are the ones that are sold under pre-sale. So if you want an RDM billet crank, and this is actually a little bit older generation, the other ones also have bolt holes so you can bolt on weights. But if you want a crank, you're going to need to order it like right now or the next week. Otherwise, that's it. I'm just selling what's on pre-sale. I'm not making extras. They will never be in stock. But I'm going to make them. I have the machine time reserved. I'm going to start making them in about a week. So you were warned, guys. What else? Anything else to say about the crankshafts? That's really it. I was honestly waiting to order some more rod stuff to see this top end. But actually, that wasn't even necessary because, anyways, we're back on track. I don't need to talk about everything. That's the end of this video. V-twin project back on track now that we have actual 50cc cylinders. Oh, you know what? Real quick, I can tell you how much displacement these things are capable of. What am I doing? I got to zero this first. All right, so 61 and a half. That's how long our cylinder sleeve is. Our piston's about 30, but we really probably only need about 26. So that's, or even like, let's really cut it close, 25. Let's just use that for math purposes. And then one more time. Was it 67? Oh, it went deeper. So this one is somewhere in 62. Okay. 62, 25. What was that, 37? I don't know the displacement math off the top of my head, but hopefully I don't get oil on the lens here. Let's do that real quick. What did I say? 37? I'm spacing out. 53. So 106 cc. That's what we're looking at. All right, let me go, guys. I gotta go clean up all this oil on everything. Now it's all over my phone case, but Lusky saved the day, guys. Back on track. I'm curious, is it the same size as a GX35? It's a little bit bigger. Cool, good. More is better. And this has more. This is more. Yes. Good. All right, awesome, guys. And this Lusky people, they said they had 10,000 of these in stock. Very good. Later. Oh, also, let me know, guys. Would you be interested in a V-twin? Which the V-twin should actually make it have very little vibration. And it'll be like a medium power 4-stroke. I think that's like ideal. Personally, that's what I want. We could also have this 2-speed transmission be good for our 2-stroke. That's inevitable, it's gonna happen. But also, some people suggested this 2-speed transmission and just the 1-cylinder. Or a 1-cylinder with the China clutch. I like all those ideas. I think all of them need to happen. It's just a matter of what's the priority here. And I hate to break it to you, the priority is probably me, and I want a V-twin. Because I'm putting a lot of my own time and money into this, so. But if you guys are loud enough, you can sway my opinion. And if you sway my opinion, then I will choose to do something else. Like maybe make a 2-stroke 2-speed, or a single cylinder. Later, guys.